When I was looking at the design for my pod, I realised that they needed sides. But then I realised that triangles were stronger, so I went for the pyramid shape. First, I got my card and decided that I wanted to build a pyramid shape. So I cut out my base for my pyramid and then with sticky tape stuck it all together. This was a really strong structure because of the folds in the pyramid. This is my first test flight. What I noticed is that it took quite a long time to open. It floated well and it landed safely. This is test flight number 2. This time I decided to shorten the strings. The air got to it quicker, so it had more time to float. It still landed the same, just in a different place to test flight number 1. What I found is that the shorter the strings, the quicker it opens, and it has more air resistance, so it floats for longer.